Dear students, welcome to the problem solving session on geometric mean. Geometric mean is the nth root of the product of n numbers. First, let us see how to calculate geometric mean for ungrouped data. Suppose I am taking n observation x1, x2, x3, etc. xn. Then the geometric mean is nth root of multiplication of all n numbers. Suppose you have two numbers, then geometric mean is going to be square root of a and b. So it is very easy. So I am skipping the example. But now the problem is n is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. It is very tough to find nth root. So we have an alternate formula. Geometric mean is equal to anti-log of summation of log x divided by n. So we can find the log x using log table or using the calculator. This formula helps us to solve the problem in an easy way. Now let us go into the problems on discrete and continuous frequencies. Before that, as usual, take a calculator, be ready. Press shift plus mode and then clear all your previous memories. Every time when you do the problem, better to clear this. It will help us to avoid errors. When you press all, it asks for reset all. Press equal to twice. Then your calculator is completely resetted. Then now to fix the decimal places, press mode 5 times. You can see the option fix. Choose the option 1. And once you choose the option, it will ask what is your decimal from 0 to 9. So you can fix 3 by pressing 3. Once you do this, you can see the display like this. Now press AC button. Your calculator is ready. Now let us go into the discrete frequency problems. We know if you have n observations x1, x2, x3, xn, then the corresponding frequencies are f1, f2, f3, etc. fn, where xi's are the possible values and fi's are the observed frequencies. So now the geometric mean, I'm not going to use the nth root. We are going to use the log and anti-log. So anti-log of summation f, that is my frequency, into log x divided by capital N. Capital N is nothing but sum of my frequencies. Either you can write like this or you can write in the simplified form. Let us go into the problem. The following data gives the table of 31 persons weight. So this is going to be my x, and number of persons having the weight 130 or 135, 140, 145. It is going to be my frequency f. So this is the question given to us. We have to calculate the geometric mean. To find geometric mean, first we have to find summation f log x, then capital N. After that we have to take anti-log. We will do one by one. So let us write the table x first column and the frequencies in the next column. Then add all the frequencies. We get n is equal to summation f, that is 31. Next we have to calculate f into log x in the third column. For this we need our calculator. As I said in all my videos, first do x. I want to program for x and then I will multiply with f, because if you do like f log x, when you press calc button, it will ask f. Sometimes in a hurry, in the place of f, you will enter x value. Then the total problem get collapsed. You lose all your marks. Now take your calculator. First put the bracket, because I am going to multiply log x with f. If you write sometime simply log x f, the calculator may take the value as log x into f. So you should be very careful. So I will put a bracket for log. Now to get log, we have to press the log button. Then we get log here, and then we have to press alpha plus close to bracket button to get x. Again now press the same button without alpha, you get the bracket. It is done. Now you can see this log x in your calculator. Next we have to enter capital F. So to get capital F, press alpha plus tan, you get capital F like this. Now your content is ready. Press calc button, it will ask x value. Go to the table. My x value is 130. So enter 130 or press 130 and then press equal to. It will ask f value. Go to the table. My corresponding f value is 3. Press 3 and press equal. We get log x into f, or f log x value is 6.342. Now go to the table and enter the value. In the similar way, to get the second data, press calc again. Then it will ask x value. This is our previous value. Just ignore it. Go to the table. My new x value is 135, press 135 and then press equal to. Then it will ask F value. Go to the table. The corresponding F value for 135 is 4. So now press 4 in the calculator and press equal to. You can see the value for F log X, that is 8.521. Go to the table, fill this. Now in the similar way, press calc again, press X value, F value, and then the corresponding F log X value will be displayed in the calculator. Fill the column one by one very carefully. Once all calculations are done, then press AC button. So the calculator will come to the normal mode. Now you add all these values which give summation F log X. The formula for geometric mean is anti-log of summation F log X by N, that is anti-log of 66.71 divided by 31. Now we have to directly enter this in the calculator. Calculator has log button and then another one ln button. Log means base 10. Ln means log base E, natural logarithm. And we are not using this, so you should be very careful. We are using log. Now there is no anti-log button in the calculator. Instead of this, we can see 10 power. That means here the log base 10, anti-log is obviously 10 power. You can see that button in the calculator. Now go to the calculator. You can see yellow color, that is 10 power X in log. So this is going to be my anti-log. So now press shift and then log, then your calculator will give 10 power. This is going to be my anti-log, students. Now I want to enter the value which is in the bracket, that is nothing but 66.771 divided by 31. Press normal bracket and then enter 66.771 and division button 31 and close this bracket. Once you do this, your calculator will be displayed like this. You can see the full data. Now just press equal to, then you get the answer 142.529. This is my geometric mean for the given problem. Hope you understand. Now let us do a problem for continuous frequencies. We know that for continuous frequencies, we don't have X values. We will have only the intervals like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, etc. Now we have to find the midpoint of these intervals to get the X values. Frequencies as it is given in the question. Now the geometric mean is going to be the same, anti-log of summation F log X divided by capital N. The only thing is in continuous data, we have to find the midpoints from the interval. I'll take the simple example, find the geometric mean of mark distribution by students. Mark is my X, number of students is my F. So let us go into the table, fill the mark, and you can find the midpoint. Since almost all our problems have equal interval, we can easily write the midpoint. 0 to 10, 5. 10 to 20, 15. Now 25. 35, 45. You can easily fix this. Once it is done, now we have to fill the corresponding frequencies. Add all the frequencies will give you capital N, that is 40. Next, as usual, we have to find F log X. For this, now take a calculator, open the bracket, press log and press alpha plus bracket to get X, and then press alpha plus tan to get F like this. Then press calc button, enter X value and F value, write the F log X value. Similarly, now press calc button again, enter X and F value, find corresponding F log X and then fill the last column. Once it is done, press AC button and then add all the values of F log X and keep ready. Now my geometric mean is going to be anti-log of summation F log X divided by capital N. Now we have to go to the calculator. As I said, anti-log is nothing but 10 power for log base 10. Now press shift plus log, you can get 10 power. Now we have to enter the value. Our value is, open the bracket, 51.884 divided by 40. Once you enter, you can see this and then press equal to button. Then we will get the final answer for the geometric mean, that is nothing but 19.820. Hope you understand, students.
Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel and share it to your friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.